2021 Audi RS Q8 most powerful company SUV. The German giant is continuing to promote its luxury line these days. After 2021 Audi S8 presentation, now is time to launch 2021 Audi RS Q8 as most powerful SUV in family. This is a high-performance version of the regular Q8 and Sport S Q8 with 600 horses. Under the hood have 4.0L V8 engine with 600 horses with a maximum torque of 800 N/m, available between 2,200 and 4,500 rpm. The maximum speed is limited to 250 electronically, but has a high buyer have at disposal optional dynamic package with maximum speed up to 305 km per hour. For the sake of energy savings, engineers were injected start-stop system and temporary deactivation of cylinders. There's a bit more about that in the text below. Exterior and design. Ground clearance for new Audi RS Q8 can vary up and down by 90 mm thanks to adaptive air suspension systems. The basic offer includes 22-inch wheels while 23-inch wheels are an option. Sporty design with larger front grille and big opening below headlights allow greater airflow with the purpose of faster engine cooling. In other words, all the attention is on powertrain. The driver has 8 driving modes available. Comfort, Auto, Dynamic, Efficiency, All-Road, Off-Road, RS1, RS2. 2021 Audi RS Q8 Luxury Interior. Luxury interior with plenty of quality upholstery, well-known equipment, and many options. My attention is most attracted to the large dashboard screen. Above all, sport steering wheel and aluminum pedals only add to the attractiveness. 2021 Audi RS Q8 engine. Expected most attention is drawn to the offer under the hood. Glory belongs twin turbocharged 4.0L V8 engine with 600 horses, or 441 kilowatts, and 800 N/m. High power enables acceleration 0 to 62 miles per hour, 0 to 100 km per hour, for 3.8 seconds. An interesting fact is that 13.7 seconds is needed for reaching a speed of 200 km per hour. Company Quattro system and automatic Tiptronic transmission with 8-speed transfer power to all wheels. Usual power distribution is 40% on the front and 60% on the rear wheels, but this ratio can change from 70 to 30% to 15-85% if necessary. The special refresh is a mild hybrid version with 48-volt electrical system. Part of the energy is regenerated and stored in a small lithium-ion battery during deceleration and braking. When the driver removes the foot from the accelerator pedal at speeds between 55 and 160 km per hour, the computer chooses to extinguish engine and use electricity collected to maintain movement, or choose option to additional recovery energy. However, computer always choose the best for vehicle. Release date and price. The venue is Los Angeles, time the end of November 2019. Sales in the domestic German market will begin in the first quarter of 2020. Other markets will follow. A starting price of €127,000 is set for the domestic market. Of course, prices for other markets will be announced later.
One, two, one, two, one, two, one, two.